In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy that you can implement today and start making hundreds of dollars every single day with Digistore 24. As you can see right here, over $654 has been made on this Digistore account. You can see the earnings per click, and also you can see I have 0% refund rate. All right, so what you want to do from here, you want to create a Digistore 24 account. All you need to do is go to digistore24.com and create an account. They virtually accept everyone from every part of the world. All right, so once you have your account created, all you need to do is click on this marketplace right here. So once you click on that, you are going to see a lot of products in various categories that you can start promoting on Digistore 24 and start earning thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. So what you want to do from here, you want to pick a category right here. But I recommend you go for a category that you are knowledgeable about so that you will be able to get creative and find other means of making money with that niche. So I'm going to be taking the make money online niche as an example. So I'm going to be clicking on this section that says internet marketing and e-business. So I'm going to click on that. So as you can see right here, we have over 76 products listed on the make money online category. So as you can see, this is the first product right here, Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. So basically this product is going to pay 50% commission per sale. All right. And that amounts to over $218 you make for this product right here. All right. So this is another product right here, Secret Millionaire Bot, the same thing, 50% commission and $30. All right, so basically there are a lot of products, like I said right here, as you can see, over 76. So the criteria that I use to select a product is I look at the popularity of this product, because this is a good indicator of if the product is popular amongst affiliates. All right, so as you can see right here, this one has 4 out of 5 stars right here, which means a lot of affiliates are promoting this product and definitely they are making money from it. That is why they are promoting this product. You can see this one also has 4 out of 5 star ratings. So what you want to do from here, you want to check out the sales page of the product. This is the sales page of this product right here. All right, so you want to make sure the product looks good and it looks like something people are going to buy. All right, you can see there are a lot of testimonials on this page right here, and also you can see that the program is well structured, as you can see right here, which is probably the reason why a lot of affiliates are promoting this product, because it has a lot of testimonials, and which means a lot of people have gotten value from this product. So what you want to do from here, you want to head back to Digistore 24 and you want to copy your affiliate link, and this is the link right here. All you need to do is click on that and then you've copied your affiliate link. So the next thing you want to do now is driving traffic. I'm going to show you 2 powerful methods that you can use to start driving laser targeted traffic to your affiliate link for absolutely free. So the first thing you want to do before you start driving traffic, you want to look for content for this niche. All right, so this product right here is basically talking about how to make money online with YouTube. All right, just like we saw on the affiliate page. So now you want to go over to idplr.com, as you can see right here. All right, you can see there are a lot of categories on idplr.com. So you want to look for a PLR product that is very related to whatever product you are promoting on Digistore 24. So I'm going to come over to the search bar and type in make money online. All right, so after typing make money on YouTube, which is literally the product we are promoting, as you can see right here, this product is talking about how to monetize and make money with YouTube. So after going over to IDPLR and typing make money on YouTube, you can see right here there are a lot of products related to making money on YouTube right here. So you are going to look for one of the best products right here. You can see right here this product, new YouTube cash flipping site, market on YouTube. These are very good PLR product that you can use for this method. All right, so I'm going to click on this first one right here. So what you want to do from here, you want to download this PLR product. It's absolutely free. So basically you can give away this product for absolutely free without having any problems. So you want to click on this download button right here and you want to download it to your PC right away. And also, if you don't want to use IDPLR, you can come over to freeplrdownloads.com, and the same thing applies. You want to look for product in that category or products related to whatever niche you are promoting. So after typing how to make money on YouTube, you can see there are a lot of products right here on how to make money on YouTube on freeplrdownloads.com. So I'm going to click on this one right here. As you can see right here, free PLR ebook, how to get 10,000 real YouTube views in a week. So basically, anyone who is interested in YouTube is also going to be interested in this product right here. So which basically means this is a perfect product for this Digistore 24 product right here. So now you may be wondering, what do you need this ebook for, or what do you need this product on idplr.com for? So I'm going to show you how to use this ebook and this PLR product to make money promoting this Digistore 24 product. All right. So what you want to do, you want to come over to a website called pdffiler.com, and you want to create an account with them. It's very, very simple, and it's absolutely free to use. Once you have your account created, your dashboard is going to look like this. All you just need to do is click on this add new right here, and you want to upload the PLR product right here. All right, I'm going to be taking this ebook as an example. So all I just need to do is click on this download button right here to download it. So as you can see right here, it's downloading right to my PC. So I'm going to wait for the download to finish, and I'm going to upload it on this platform right here. All right, as you can see right here, this is the product right here, how to get 10,000 real YouTube views within a week. All right, so now what I'm going to do from here, I'm just going to drag and drop this product right here. All right, as you can see right here, so I'm going to click on this start editing. So as you can see right here, the product has opened up, how to get 10,000 real YouTube views in a week. All right, as you can see right here, so what you want to do from here, if you look at the left hand side of the page, you can see it has about 25 pages in this PLR product. As you can see right here, you can change the name of this author to your name. All right, so that's absolutely permissible with PLR product. So you can change it to your name. You can change the website right here. So all you just need to do is grab your affiliate link right here. All right, so you want to copy the link. So you want to type in a very captivating call to action right here. Click here to learn the secret of making money on YouTube fast. All right, so this is going to get people attention, and they will want to click on this link. And remember, we already know they are interested in YouTube, and this is a very perfect product to promote, as it's also about how to make money on YouTube as well. So once you do that, then you want to highlight this text right here. So once you highlight it, you want to click on this button right here, and then you want to copy your Digistore 24 link, and then you want to paste it right there, and you want to click on save. All right, so as you can see right here, anyone who has access to this book, they can click on this link right here, and it's going to take them to this product right here. So once you've done that, you basically want to repeat the same process by copying this text right here and pasting it in other pages. All right, so you want to click on this. So basically you want to click on this, you want to copy, and you want to click on the second page. You also want to come to the bottom of this second page, and you want to paste that same text right there. So you want to drag it at the bottom. So as they are reading the pages, they get to see this link right here. And if you highlight it as well, you want to also paste your Digistore 24 link. So you want to paste the link right here. All right, as you can see, if they click on this link as well, it's going to take them to the Digistore 24 product page. All right, so you are going to repeat the same process for all of the products right here. So as not to prolong this video, I'm just going to stop right here. So now I'm going to show you two powerful methods that you can use to drive targeted traffic to any Digistore 24 products that you are promoting. So the first method that you are going to be using is by coming over to a website called slideshare.net. And here, all you just need to do is upload this PLR product. So once you're done, you want to click on this save right here. You want to click on done, and you will be able to download this edited ebook to your device. So once you have it downloaded to your device for free, like I said, all you just need to do is come over to slideshare.net and upload it on this platform. So you are going to repeat the same process for any of the products you find on this Make Money Online category. All right, so you can see it's a very easy and simple process. So once you upload it on this platform, you can just sit back and watch traffic comes to your ebook. And also another method that you can use is coming over to Facebook and you want to join related groups in your niche. And I don't recommend you going over to this product and spamming your link. Nobody is going to click on that. So basically you want to go over to these groups and give value as much as you can. And then you want to start a conversation with people recommending how this product has helped you to make money online or whatever product you are promoting, be it health and fitness, business and investment. So whatever product you're promoting, you want to make sure you give value before dropping your link on these Facebook groups. All right. So that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on this video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.